Joco Yushin Daily Chemical Company Limited, established in 2005, is a wholly owned private enterprise specializing in the production of color paper soap, aromatic bath soap, flower soap, pebble soap, export soap paper processing, and other cleaning series product development and customization. Yushin Daily Chemical has the Patent Certificate and Qualification Certificate of Good Production Practice of Cosmetics issued by the state, and has won the qualifications of Top 10 Handicrafts with the most development potential, abiding by the contract and keeping promise, and establishing a demonstration enterprise for assured consumption in Joco City. Yushin has been deeply engaged in ODM for more than 10 years, focusing on R&D and production, washing and cleaning products. The company's products focus on daily practicability, pure natural plant spices, skincare raw materials. After technological upgrading, it has become a new generation of green environmental protection products. In today's epidemic era, frequent hand washing is the simplest and best scientific way to prevent infectious diseases. When we go out, travel and can't carry soap and hand sanitizer with us, we can choose the most convenient paper soap products with the best cleaning effect to protect our health anytime and anywhere. It is suitable for many scenes and can be used and taken at any time. It is an essential article for modern fashion life, such as traveling and going out. On the road of innovation and R&D, Yushin has never stopped moving forward. With its strong production system, Yushin has established long-term cooperative relations with well-known brands at home and abroad. Its products are sold to all regions of the country and exported abroad at the same time. Create a broader international development market and achieve the future with strength. Joco Yushin Daily Chemical Company Limited is a global leader in portable cleaning products.